Sea cucumbers are extraordinary creatures with a unique survival strategy. When faced with danger, they eject their internal organs to feed and distract predators, giving themselves time to escape. Despite this extreme measure, they've thrived for over 500 million years, making them among the oldest species on Earth, surviving 5 mass extinctions. Lacking eyes and ears, they rely on a simple but resilient body, with more than 800 species known today, some reaching up to 3 meters in length. Despite their fearsome appearance, sea cucumbers are actually harmless, spending their days inching along the ocean floor and consuming sand. Within this sand, they extract nutrients from algae, bacteria, and tiny animal fragments, then expel the clean sand back into the environment, keeping the seabed pristine. Their unique breathing method, through their rear, has attracted a tiny fish called the pearl fish, which uses the sea cucumber's body as a safe shelter, slipping inside for protection.
Sea cucumbers have remarkable regenerative abilities, capable of growing back lost organs within 50 days, which allows them to survive even after traumatic escapes. Some species can even regenerate into multiple new individuals from cut pieces. This incredible resilience comes with specific environmental needs. However, outside the sea, they disintegrate within hours. Harvested for centuries, sea cucumbers have a long history in human cuisine and are still valued for their supposed health benefits. These ancient creatures remind us of nature's adaptability and the surprising strategies that have allowed life to endure against all odds.